Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's Matt with Green Bar Trading, coming to you with another episode of the Trade Breakdown. So in this episode, I'm going to go over a trade that I just took. It is currently 9:38 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you may be asking yourself, what would I be trading? Well, I'm trading the Globex basically with the S&P 500. This is a market that is pretty much tradable all through the night, all through the morning. And, right now it's about almost 11 o'clock in the morning over in Japan. So there's major markets that are already open. Australia's been open even longer than that. China just opened. So there is a lot of trading that is going on and some volume. A lot of people will trade this product. This is the E-mini S&P 500 futures. So I'm going to go over how I find these key levels. So I mark up my chart before I take any trades. That's number one, most important thing that you can do before you take a trade is know your key levels, support, resistance, what was the previous close, the previous open, things like that you're going to want to know before you get involved in the trade. And then you can use your technical analysis to determine where you think the price is going to go. And that's what I'm going to go over with you guys here today with this trade. So this is the chart for pretty much the start of Wednesday in the middle of the night. So we had price down at 44.76. This was a pretty key level. If we pull it out just a bit, this level was a previous high over here. Let me just move this. Hang on one second. So this is a key area. You can see back here, here, and here. That's why I have this level here on my chart. It's also, let me just move that. Sorry, guys. It was also the bottom of the overnight Globex was the low, within a basically a point, maybe 5 ticks. These aren't always going to be exactly to the tick, around that area. So this is right here. We had a nice bounce off it, made a higher low, and then we moved up into the London Open. So the London Open happened, and then at 4 a.m., we got price pushing up to this next key area. So that's the key area that I want you guys to keep on your, in your back of mind right now for the trade that I'm about to show you. So then we break down, and then, the trading day today, which we almost made it to 4,500, so close, within 2 points of 4,500 on the S&P futures. Awesome. So anyway, that's how I find, these key levels. What was a, important price hit multiple times. So, and I also do the open, where we opened at and where we closed at. A lot of times price on the futures likes to come down to back to these levels. So, and you can see here, it actually came back after I took my trade to where we opened up the day. So if we zoom in here a little bit, I can break down this trade with you guys, and I'll go over, here we are. So this trade was almost 8 ticks. Now I shoot for a 2-to-1. I'm willing to give up 5 ticks in the loss column, but I want to get, I try to get 10 ticks if I can. Well, this was 7 ticks. It didn't quite make it, but I am glad that I took profit once I saw the bounce. I also knew we had this key level down here. So when I took my profit at 44.86, well, I was within striking distance of this level. And when I saw price push up really quickly, I locked in profit. Sometimes you have to do this. It's still better than a 1-to-1, right? We want to make sure our ratios are much better than a 1-to-1 so that we don't have to be right all the time in our trades and we can still be profitable. So anyway, this was an $87.50 win. And the reason behind this trade was once the Globex Open happened, after our after hours, shut down at 20 hours, which is 8 p.m. Eastern time, that is when this market is put into the hands of all the traders speculating on where the S&P 500 is going to go for the next day. It's called the futures. So we went down pretty quickly, and I like to let the price action show me and dictate to me what the story is going to be. So now I know, okay, we're downtrending. So where is my entrance going to be? And where is my take profit going to be? Well, since we were downtrending, I had short in the back of my mind. I was going to sell a contract and then buy it back. That's what I did here. Shorted it and then bought it here. So now getting into the technicals. Once I noticed that we did not make right here, we couldn't make a higher high than right here. So we made a lower high. We were coming into this level right here. So what I did was, since we didn't make that higher high, this market operates on a lot of technical analysis. That gave me the confidence that we could potentially break this key level. Now, it's an obvious key level to people that day trade. And if you trade long enough, you'll be able to figure out these key levels. So we bounced off it a couple of times. And then what I noticed on the level 2 was a huge amount of stops that were put right around here. People that, must have been going long and had their stop that was going to be just below this level. Once that broke, you could see here in a 1-minute bar, we came down a lot. And that's where I took my profit. So breaking of a key level is, even to the upside, it can give you a big burst because a lot of people have their stops around there. And when they get, hit, that will give you that. And you get a little capitulation. And that's what happened here. So that was a very good trade. Nice technicals. You want to get good at technical analysis if you are a day trader, and find these key levels no matter what you guys are trading. It doesn't matter. You don't have to be trading futures to find key levels. I run a Discord. It's a great group. You guys should go in there, join it. Good traders in there, good advice. You can really learn something. And I also post over there these key levels every day. So on the SPY, on the Qs, I post the key levels that I see that I have identified as support and resistance. There's more buyers and there's more sellers, supply and demand. And we have these levels so we know during the trading day where we may see some resistance. And, you know, that's totally free. It's over in our Discord, and you're more than welcome to join. So I hope that you guys liked this trade breakdown. I hope you're enjoying these type of episodes. If you are, hit the thumbs up for me. And if you're new, consider subscribing, maybe share the channel with a friend that is also interested in day trading and technical analysis. And yep, that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. I'll see you back on the next one. Take care.